So today we are going with another topic which is about organogenesis. Okay, so we'll start not from basic. I'm literally tired of making the same picture again and again. So I'll simply write it if you're new. Otherwise we have covered reproduction chapter, then development and aging intro and everything. But still I'll fertilization, right? Fertilization. Then comes second part, which is about zygote. This is also called as fertilized egg. Then comes other cleavage mitosis process. After cleavage mitosis we'll see morula, which is about when 60 cells combine they forms. After morula we have blastula structure, which is also like blastula, blastocyst. Then we have implantation. Implantation is simply, we are done in the last chapter, and it's simply quite easy topic, which I don't believe, because this implantation is simply when these all structure have been formed, zygote, these all layering, and this is simply called as implantation, which is when fertilized egg come into uterus and form such functions, germ layers, these all, that's called implantation, which is not part for now, which happen in uterus as mentioned. After inflammation, then we see pregnancy or the pregnant. After this we see that there's a gestation period. After that we'll see there formation of three germ layers is called as ecto, endo and meso. Hopefully, literally hopefully it would be clear, as discussed in so many videos. Okay, so here comes what we'll discuss today, which is about organogenesis. So if I just introduce organogenesis, which is simply formation of organ called as organogenesis. Organogenesis. So I'm sure it will be clear. Then we see first thing we see called as vertebrate. This means vertebrates are divided into, which are called as human. Then we have chordates. In that we see notochord, and even this notochord is again divided into formation and neural tube formation of neural tube. So I'm sure it will be clear. Then comes these all things are done, then comes organogenesis process. This was a basic intro, otherwise let's go to that part, organogenesis formation. So we'll see what happens during the first month, and second month, and third month, and these all. So these are even called as trimester, which we'll discuss later on. But today, organogenesis means formation of organs during their 9-month pregnancy. So when comes about first month, this means there's formation. When first month is end, there's the formation of heart. This means heart develop in that one. Even and in second month we see basically in the end, like till heart it completes till the third week, right? In the fourth or the fifth week, what we see, brain fluctuation, like not fluctuation but brain fluxes, like folding and curve like a structure, right? Then comes the second month. What we will see in this one, second month is about limbs development, in hand and legs to be developed. So I'm sure it will be clear. Then comes the third month. Third month is about which is also called as first trimester, which is when all organs are fully developed. Right. Then comes the 8th week, which is simply end of the first second months. First trimester, which is third month. So I forgot to mention, in the second month what we see there is vertebrate, we know human beings are vertebrate, and when vertebrate, so human embryo shape when made in the 8th week, which is the last week of the second month, human embryo is formed, like provide shape. Yeah, then we can consider, yeah, there's a baby producing in our body, and the human baby is producing. That's why they form a structure called as embryo. And then third month, all fully organs developed, hopefully. Then the fourth month, which is simply fourth month is same process of happening, organ formed and these all, so it's like done. Then comes the fifth one, which is simply hair growth. That hair growth is only on the head in the on the fifth month, sorry. Then comes the second trimester, which is simply called as 6 months, because 1 and 3 and these all. So 6 months, which is simply when hair grows on entire body. So entire body could be like formation of eyelashes, even eyelid and all things, which is also called as second trimester. Then till here we see so many things done, and then simply here is done. This means after that there could be few disease, few things, maybe water of human body that female gets enough, then she's supposed to drink coconut water and something like that, to make sure that anything like that does not happen. Then comes the last period, which is 9 months, and what we'll see in that one, we'll see kind of fetus formation, everything is done. So this means delivery process and everything is ready. So that delivery could be normal, or that could be C-section. And in C-section we have so many videos on YouTube you can search, because there are layers cutting on, and you'll see so many, either just horizontal then vertical. The names we'll discuss later on. So I'm sure here comes the organogenesis end. But before I end up, let's see what's in the picture, in the paragraph to read. And yes, the picture I've gotten blurred, so let me add picture again. So here's the definition, which is quite a small topic written here. Organogenesis, between formation of organ, process of organ formation, and the developing embryo, which begins during the 3rd week of human embryonic development and continues until the end of the 8th week, which is simply the end of the 2 months. The 3 germ layers of the embryo, which is endo, meso, and ectoderms, give rise to the various organs. This means through these germ layers we see all other formations of either organ and tissue. So I'm sure it will be clear. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.